AI at a crossroads. Scaling era nears end. Value-driven application and foundational innovation. Key to next breakthrough, says SenseTime scientist. At a recent forum, SenseTime's chief scientist Lin Dahua outlined a dual-path strategy for overcoming current AI development bottlenecks, highlighting the company's breakthroughs in multimodal and cost-efficiency technologies. The artificial intelligence industry, after 3 years of explosive growth fueled by scaling computing power and data, is now at a critical crossroads, stated Lin Dahua, co-founder and chief scientist of SenseTime, during the Modeling the Intelligent Future 2025 SenseTime AI Forum, co-hosted by SenseTime and Hong Kong Science Park. Lin reviewed the industry's trajectory since ChatGPT's debut, noting that initial belief in scaling laws has waned as progress slowed in 2024. He credited recent breakthroughs like OpenAI's O1 and DeepSeek R1 to innovations in post-training paradigms, such as long chain of thought, reinforcement learning, and test-time scaling, which have pushed model reasoning to new heights. However, this is not the ultimate endpoint, Lin emphasized. We are once again at a crucial crossroads. He proposed two essential paths forward. First, AI must move beyond benchmark scores to achieve real-world value-driven applications. Second, the industry must return to the laboratory for fundamental, paradigm-shifting innovations, echoing calls from figures like Ilya Sutskever. Every major breakthrough stems from original technological innovation. Today, we need innovation once more to break through the current bottleneck, Lin stated. 3 trends. Signaling an AI value explosion. Lin highlighted 3 key trends enabling this shift. Rapid performance gains. AI capabilities are improving at an unprecedented rate, now solving complex problems like Olympiad-level math. Handling complex tasks. Models are progressing from tasks taking seconds to those requiring half an hour of human effort, like deep research and report writing. Plummeting costs. The cost of useful AI model inference has dropped dramatically by a factor of 280 in 2 years, according to a 2025 Stanford report. This combination of rising capability and falling cost signals AI's transition from demonstration to high-value, human-level task replacement. User value drives iteration, the PPT example. Illustrating how SenseTime bridges innovation and application, Lin used AI-powered PowerPoint creation as a case study. Moving beyond simple text-to-slide tools, SenseTime's approach involves training models on design principles, then using multi-dimensional reward models based on human aesthetic feedback, e.g. layout, structure, to guide iterative improvement via reinforcement learning. This user feedback-driven loop is central to their product development engine. Foundational innovation to break bottlenecks. Despite progress, challenges remain in reliability, spatial intelligence, and the cost of complex tasks. Lin stressed that overcoming these requires foundational innovation, recalling that transformative waves began with seminal papers like those introducing the transformer and scaling laws. He pointed out limitations in current mainstream multimodal models, which often perform shallow visual language pingjia stitching, leading to errors in spatial and physical understanding. In response, SenseTime recently open-sourced its Neo architecture, a fundamentally redesigned multimodal foundation where every layer possesses innate multimodal capabilities. Reportedly trained with just 1/10 of the data, it matches or exceeds the performance of top models in spatial reasoning, even outperforming specialized models like Cambrian S. On the critical front of cost, SenseTime announced dramatic efficiency gains. Its SecoTalk video generation model can produce 1,280 seconds of quality video per hour on an 8-card GPU setup, far exceeding traditional models. Further optimization for conversational avatars now allows generating 4,500 seconds of video per hour on a single consumer-grade RTX 5090, breaking the real-time barrier and paving the way for mass adoption of digital human technology. Lin attributed these leaps to joint optimization across algorithms, model architecture, and systems. These important advancements all originate from SenseTime's integrated innovations across algorithms, systems, models, and architecture, he concluded, signaling the company's readiness to lead the industry from the crossroads into its next phase of value-centric growth.